Hey guys, welcome to the Freezerworks 2019 Learning Series, your visual guide to our sample management software. Today is all about the homepage, a new interface that we believe will make Freezerworks easier to navigate, increase discoverability of powerful but underutilized areas of the program, and assist with bringing new users into your system. In this video, we'll look at the anatomy of a homepage, creating a private homepage, assigning homepages to other users, and I'll give you a few ideas for how to organize the tiles on your homepages. When you log into Freezerworks 2019, the first thing you'll see is your homepage, which acts as every user's hub in the program. Homepages are made up of tiles, buttons that provide quick access to your favorite Freezerworks features, and they remove the need to navigate our complex menus. A homepage can have up to 20 different tiles. We'll get to tiles soon, but first, there are a few features in the top right corner of the homepage that I should mention. The quick search is now always available right here for easy access. To change the field that your quick search uses, find the default field for searching preference in your preferences, which can be accessed by opening this menu here and selecting My Preferences. This menu is also where you can change your samples or patient's entry form, switch group profiles, and log out. The button to this one's left opens the Help menu, where you can find links to our user's guide, support page, and online training video library. Finally, the Gear button tells you what homepage you're currently using, and it contains the option to create your own private homepage. See, users can either be assigned a homepage or be given permission to create their own private homepage. Of course, you can always assign a homepage to users who will eventually create private ones too. This permission is found on the System Admin tab when creating or modifying a role. Configure Homepages controls the ability to create and assign homepages for other users, and Configure My Homepage is the private homepage permission. So, to create a private homepage, click the Gear button and select Create Private Homepage. You'll be presented with an editable version of the homepage you were just using, a starting point for your own homepage. The homepage's name will already be filled out with your username as the prefix. Select a tile to open the Assign Tile overlay. The overlay contains a number of the most important inventory-related tasks in Freezerworks, separated according to menu and process. The Inventory Management button contains most of the options from the Inventory Management menu, as well as a few other common inventory tools. The Search button contains all of Freezerworks' search options, including the updated Explore Freezers tool. The Workflows button contains all of the options from the Workflows menu. The Invoicing button contains all of the invoicing menu options. The Import Formats button contains all import formats assigned to your group, so you can quickly run an import with the click of a tile. And the same goes for the Save Searches button, which contains every saved search assigned to your group. If you select a tile that already has an assigned action and wish to delete that action, simply click the Remove Tile button. So, assign the tiles that you need and organize them in a way that suits your workflow. At the end of this video, I'll go through a few examples of homepage layouts. Click Save when you're finished with your private homepage, and this will be your homepage from now on. To manage and configure homepages for other users, open the Configuration menu and select Configure Homepages. There are two tabs on the Configure Homepages list view, Public and Private. Public contains all of the homepages that can be assigned to other users, while Private contains all of the homepages created by individual users that only they can use. Private homepages cannot be edited or assigned to other users, but users with Configure Homepages permission can overwrite private homepages with a public homepage assignment. So, to create a public homepage, return to that tab and click Add New. The configuration process is largely identical to creating a private homepage. Just start by giving the homepage a name, and then assign the tiles as you see fit. Once you're done assigning tiles, click the Assign Users button to begin assigning the homepage to your users. This overlay will appear. Check the box next to any users you want using this homepage. The names will appear in the right box as you check them on. If you've got a lot of users, use the filter drop-downs in the top left. You can filter the list by group and by role. If you need to assign users a new homepage and overwrite the one they're currently using, even a private one, check this box. This does not delete the homepage they were using. That can only be done on the Configure Homepages list view. Also, keep in mind that a user's role is taken into account by the homepage. If any user is assigned a homepage with a feature or two on it that they do not have permission to use, the tile will simply be locked for them, like so. When you're done creating the homepage, click Save. You'll be returned to the Configure Homepages list view with your homepage listed. Before we stop, let's take a look at a few different ways you can organize the homepage to assist new users who are learning the software and help established users do their job more efficiently. What are your users' daily or most frequent tasks? Are there logical groupings of these tasks? By day, by project, by type? And how does thinking style affect the optimal setup? Perhaps you have a group of users who have the following daily workflow. So their homepage might look like this. Alternatively, a lab manager's homepage might look like this, with options for verifying work and managing accounts. And finally, a lab tech's homepage could look like this, with intentional blank space that separates tools and menu options from saved searches. And that does it for today. If you have any more questions about the homepage, be sure to consult our user's guide, accessible right from the homepage. Or you can contact our dedicated support staff. Thanks as always for watching. We'll see you next time.